Welcome to Pamuko 101 channel, Basic Muscle Control 101, and this is a new theory of biomechanics, and I'm presenting the motivation why there is a need to have a new theory of biomechanics, and it's one of the reasons is that the posture issues are explained unsatisfactorily currently, and the problems are that there are hundreds of different posture problems, and only a couple of them have any kind of explanation. But for example, such common problems as lateral pelvis shift or pelvis rotation, or even simpler ones as head tilted sideways, which I personally suffered from, are not explained pretty much at all. And that is a very strange situation why there are hundreds of muscle posture problems that are basically unknown what they are, what causes them. Only a few are sort of try to present the explanation. Kyphosis and lordosis and forward neck are the ones that are sort of try to explain, but in other videos I have shown problems with even these explanations. So basically all posture problems are lacking a good explanation. And in the ideal world, there should be a unified theory of posture which explains all these 100 different posture problems, so that there is no need to try to explain them individually. For example, for the patient that are quite typical patient that has 5 different posture problems, and only a couple of them do have an explanation, and 3 of his problems do not have an explanation what they are, what is the reason for them and how to fix them. So the situation is there is room for better theory, and Pamuko 101 is the one that provides much better theory. And the problems start with, I think the posture is misunderstood. What is the proper posture? Posture is not just a core shape. It's proper muscle usage is very, very important for proper posture, and the core shape is less important. If you have wrong usage of muscles, then any kind of posture fix is doomed to fail. And the one defining characteristics of what is a good muscle usage and what is the bad muscle usage is that posture issues should be solved with very low muscle contraction levels. If there is a high level of muscle contraction involved, then it makes it impossible to be able to walk around all day with this kind of condition. It's way too tiring. So relaxation in the muscle usage is extremely important to fixing posture properly. And movement, for example, leg movement in walking gait should be easy. And there are basically no results that work into this direction. Even the currently existing theories, they try to work things into wrong direction, thinking that posture is being held up by high strength of a muscle, and that is simply not true. There is no weight training necessary to fixing posture, and definitely not any kind of squeezing or muscles or trying to hold some core position with forcing muscles into some high contracted state. What is needed for proper posture is skill to operate core muscles at low contraction levels and hold any position and moving between these different core shapes easily with low contraction percentage and with low forces, and the overall word that should be used is relaxed. If you are struggling, you are increasing tightness, and that's just not good. And the crucial skill is the skill to contract only the right muscles and leave all the other muscles non-contracted. And this comes back to the separation issue. How do we have skill to operate upper core and lower core separately? And this is what is needed to fixing posture properly. And brain learns this by practicing the right exercises. And posture cannot be fixed by any 15-minute exercise. If you are exercising the wrong posture 12 hours every day, you are going to get more of this bad posture. Have you practiced operating muscles with low contraction percentage? And have you practiced separation of core muscles, which are crucial skills for good posture? And basically, these are the motivations why Pamuko 101 biomechanics goes much deeper into this problem field.